Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we're going to be making homemade chicken nuggets. Now I forgot to do this. I meant to do a video at the beginning of the year. I'm doing the Three Rivers Homestead Pantry Challenge. It's called the Three Rivers Challenge, but essentially January and February you don't go to the store. You just use what you have in the pantry to use it up for the upcoming harvest. Now everyone has their own set of rules on maybe allowances that they're allowing themselves, and my allowance is dairy because I don't have a way to keep dairy right now, so that will be the only thing that I will be buying is like milk and cream and maybe some cheese. But I do have cheese in my freezer, but milk and cream because this girl's got to have her coffee. But on that note, I have been eating from my pantry so far. It's January 5th, so far we're doing good on the challenge. But today it is chicken nuggets. So I have some boneless, skinless chicken breast that I have cubed into just bite-sized pieces. And then I have some milk, just a couple tablespoons of milk with 2 eggs whisked together. And then I have some flour with black pepper. And then I am adding a roasted vegetable and fry seasoning. It has salt, bell pepper, paprika, onion, garlic, mustard, black pepper, celery seed, coriander, oregano, cumin, and sage. It is delicious. So I'm using this instead of just salt. And then we're also actually going to be baking this instead of frying it because I don't really want to stand in front of the stove. I have my oven set to 375, and these come together so easy and they're so delicious. They're so much better than anything you can buy at the store, at the frozen section chicken nuggets, that you'll wonder why you never did this before. And they're also great to make ahead and put in your freezer so that you have that readily available frozen, not store-bought dinner. So if you wanted to do a big batch, you could do that too. But this is just going to feed my kids because what we're having for dinner, they're not going to eat. So I'm making them their own thing. So you literally, what I like to do, just to give it a little better breading, I will dredge it in the flour first, just a few at a time, and then stick them in the egg mixture, get them coated, and then back in the flour. And it just makes for a really nice crust. And I'm going to keep doing this until they're all done. So once you get everything dredged the way you want, these up here actually just have the flour mixture because I ran out of egg and didn't feel like whisking another one. So you can see the difference in the coating where this is just with the flour and this is with the flour and the egg doing the double dredge. So these, since they are being baked instead of fried, which you could totally fry them in some oil and do them on the stovetop, I have some olive oil, and I'm just going to spray the tops of them. Essentially, it's my homemade cooking spray. But I'm just going to spray the tops of them so they can get nice and crispy. And then these are going to go in the oven at 375 minutes for about 20-25 minutes is what it takes for my oven and the size of these nuggets. You want them to cook until they're done in a nice golden brown. So I will bring you back when they're done. Alright guys, so here is the finished product. I needed the pan for something else, so I went ahead and put them in this bowl until dinner time. But you can see, look at that crust. Is that not Beautiful. They're absolutely delicious. And like I said, these can be frozen. So you can cool these completely, put them out on a baking sheet, and let them freeze, and then throw them in a Ziploc bag or vacuum seal them and stick them in the freezer, and you're good to go for a quick and easy meal for you or the kids. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.